YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marvana, and today I'll be showing you how I got this bomb wash and go using products all under $5.
I wanna take my wig off. I wanna lay it on the nice.
This is after I've washed and deep conditioned my hair using the Aunt Jackie's deep conditioner, which I'll show in a minute. This is the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Gel. As you can see, it was only $3.99. This is the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. This is the deep conditioner that I have been using for the past couple of wash and goes or styles, and I love her products so far. I'm saturating my hair with water because I want this wash and go to be the juiciest wash and go I've ever done. I'm going in with the Aunt Jackie's Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. This one was only $3.99 as well. The goal is to have this pop-in wash and go without having to spend $30 worth of products. So stay tuned to see my results. This is the second time I've used the leave-in conditioner. It looks pretty watery, but it is very moisturizing. I used this leave-in conditioner when I did the hair paint wax review. If you haven't seen that video, I will be linking that video in the description bar down below. Now I'm going in with the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. I know that was pretty long. It's pretty sticky how I like it. I'm just going to spread this all over my hair. I want a nice hold without getting like a crunch. And right here, I'm just raking it through my hair just for definition. I'm not going to do the shingle method. Right here, I'm just raking it. So I'm pretty much using that same method all over my head. I'm spraying my hair with water, going in with the leave-in conditioner, and then after that, going in with the curling gel. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my results. Y'all, I poked myself so hard right here. Oh my goodness, the funniest thing ever. I decided to keep that in because I'm sure someone needed a good laugh today. Look at this definition. Like, I really love these products so far. Like, look, yes, curls popping. So So here I'm just using the blow dryer to stretch out my hair. Go in and pick the roots. Y'all know I got to pick my roots. I do this to get as much volume as possible. That is it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Curls poppin', sis. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notifications bar so you can be notified when I drop my next video.